under $160 a month, this is one of the most affordable RVs, and you can only find this at Blue Compass. So we are gonna start inside. Right as you come in, you are greeted with this bed here and an open shelf here to put all your belongings. There's a window and curtains for privacy. You do have these hidden compartment storage, and this is gonna be where your TV goes. You do have all your connections here, charging ports on that side. In the kitchen, we have a sink. Love that they have this paper towel holder and storage up top, little microwave, fan and light, 2-burner stove top. Below is gonna be more storage here for pots and pans and additional space here. No, this doesn't seem much, but when you're going away for the weekend or in the mountains, this is perfect. And of course you have this space here. You do have countertop space, which is excellent. A lot of the times you'll find no space at all. So before we get to the bathroom, you do have an option to put some snackies in here. I don't know why I said snackies.
Snackies, that's what the kids call it.
Snacks. You can put some snacks in here. You can take these out if you need to and put more things and kind of utilize this as a pantry or more items, maybe some clothes in there. Now, let's go to the bathroom. All right, the bathroom is gonna be, it's not a crazy amount of space, but I am 5'5" and there's enough space for my head here and to do all of my showering. There's a mirror right behind me and a toilet. This is gonna come close with my knees, but there's enough leg space. Now it doesn't have a sink in there, so you're gonna have to come out here and wash your hands. Behind me are these bunk beds. You can have your kids, grandkids, you can have friends come over and have a place to sleep. Underneath is gonna be storage. So this is gonna be where you can put extra bins here for extra stuff. Let's be honest, we all have stuff. There are charging ports on that wall and then lights above each bunk bed. The most important part here is the fridge. We gotta keep our food and drinks cold, so that is gonna be located right here. And then we also have an AC with a heat pump. This is really cool because it uses a lot less propane for the heat. And this is excellent because now you don't have to worry about using all that propane and getting those propane tanks exchanged, because sometimes it could be a pain in the butt. So this is gonna be way more efficient and uses way less propane. Now, before we go inside, we're gonna run through some specs. The exterior length of this bad boy is gonna be 16 feet. The dry weight is gonna be at 2,643 pounds. The gross weight is at 4,143 pounds. Gray water capacity is at 30 gallons, fresh water capacity is at 40 gallons, and black water capacity is at 30 gallons. Exterior height is gonna be at 9 feet and 10 inches. All right, let's go check out the exterior. Coming outside, we do have a single axle, 8-foot awning with LED strip light and a leash link for your pets. Behind, it is prepped for a backup camera, so you could certainly put a backup camera up there. There's a ladder to access solar. Yes, it is wired for solar, and this is also prepped for a Starlink. It just makes life easier. Connections for your electrical are right here, and then your connections to the hoses are gonna be right under here. So you do have a lot of storage here, a propane tank, and these really cool running lights on either side of the unit. Now, the coolest part of all is that if you buy this through Blue Compass, you get these amazing perks. Buying any RV from Blue Compass gets you the RV Complete VIP membership, which includes unlimited towing, windshield repair, and your very own RV tech, as well as other amazing benefits, and exclusive Loves discounts. With that being said, thank you guys so much for watching this video. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe, and see you guys on the next one.